Uti wayo, asileto. Wayo. Uti wayo, asileto. Wayo.
You're already a big boy. See? How about your brother, Dozemi?
He's fine.
Okay.
Dozemi is fine. He went to the market to sell some vegetables for me.
Okay. Oh, he does that already?
That's great. They do, even this one. This one even does more.
Yes,
I am telling you. You see, I thank God so much for these children here. These twins, I thank God for them. Because they understand the plight of their mother.
Yes.
They know that their mother is a poor widow and they don't disturb me at all. I don't know what I would have done if I have these rascals as children. I thank God, my brother. So, like we spoke on the phone, I brought him so that he will now stay here and go to school. I know that you are down to earth and you are a very big disciplinarian. So your eyes will be on him.
No problem. Here is your home. Feel relaxed. Do not feel threatened in any way. Do not let the cause of the family weigh you down. See, Yami, this is your house. You'll start school here. If you are a good boy, the sky is going to be your limit.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hey, thank you,
welcome.
man.
After all, you're not here to pound apple for me and my wife. You're welcome, my son.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. I don't know how to thank you. So I thank you so much.
No problem.
I come to think of it. I've not seen my wife.
She went to market. I think she should be on her way home now. Yes. So there's no problem, I will. What you will do? You get me his testimonial. You get this one from the school. So that it will help me enroll him into my own school.
Thank God. I will do just that.
No problem.
I will do that. One day, I have to run along.
What?
Yes.
You want to go?
Yes.
No, you don't do that. How can you go? You can't come today and say you're going today.
Hey, you know the same is alone in the house.
It doesn't matter. God will take care of you. You can't come to my house and after all, I told you my wife is on her way. You need to see her. She's aware you are coming. So wait.
Let me
take you. Let me take you to the room.
Can you tell me about your activities in the school?
Papa, so many. In fact, in my school, I am their captain. We used to organize a football competition. And the last one we played the match, my team won the cup.
Hey, Booby,
Papa.
Your mother here and I sent you to school to go and study. Instead of you to go and study books, we are now a cultist.
Jesus Christ. Papa, who is passing this kind of information to you? Me, cultist?
Yes.
Mama?
This is my son. Is there anything like Mburumene in your school? Mburumene.
Mama, which one is Mburumene again now? You say Mburumene, Papa say cultist.
You don't know?
You mean your uncle did not see, did not hear before he passed the information to us?
He's telling us
what
lies.
You doing in the school?
Nah, I knew it. See, Papa, let me just tell you. See, that my uncle, that brother of yours, must be a continental liar by passing this kind of information.
Shut up your mouth.
He's
not. He's not. You are
see?
a cultist.
You are now calling
You are a cultist.
My own brother a continental liar, isn't it? You see what I mean? You see what I mean? You have just joined a very bad gang. If he didn't see or hear very well, he will not call me your father to tell me such a thing.
With the hope that we are in school.
Papa, your brother did not see anything. In fact, he should come to my school and ask of me. I'm the best student in that school.
You! You! What is she called? You!
Mama, is that the reason why you're coming to come back to the village? Is that the reason why you're coming to come back to the village?
Is it not enough reason?
Sit down there. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere.
Papa,
I'm not surprised.
I can think that you want to believe your brother. And you don't want to believe your own son. Your only son for that matter. Okay.
Look,
Mama, don't cry. I don't know.
Oh.
you will come back here today.
Mama, don't cry for me. Mama, don't cry. Cause I
Did
don't
you hear him?
know.
Did you hear him?
I try to be good. I don't know. Good boy turn evil. Good boy turn evil. Good boy turn evil. I don't know why.
Wow. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hope you had a wonderful night rest.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can see you enjoyed your new school so much. That's why you're so early to get ready for school.
Yes, auntie, I have to wake up very early this morning so that I can finish up with my house chores and go to school early because Uncle don't let anybody that comes to school late.
Alright, make sure you have your breakfast before you leave for school. Because I wouldn't want you to start misbehaving in the school as a result of hunger. Is that clear?
No problem.
Alright.
Hey, Parapa! See, guys, I have a very good idea. Yes.
Idea.
Very nice one. You see that Sajeri nephew, I've been a cousin. Waiting me down in name. Dubem. Bam, you get that? See, I want make we bring that Dubem inside this our club.
Kapo, what is the yam like this now? Uncle Brisa, what make you don't cast matter for us? Okay, now what be your reason now? We say make you bring that guy inside this company now.
You know get sense. Sometimes this your brain no dey work. See, make I tell you now. Una no say if that guy eventually come inside this particular club now, that guy going to give us backbone. You don't know?
Suppose we get all the tools, we get all the equipment so we need. They execute our plan, normal norms. Which guy backbone we will need? Okay, fine. You know say it be capo. It be capo. Every time you talk nice, so it will be. How? Wait till you me explain.
See the ask question. Siambo.
The how be say wetin in the talk get sense. As wetin in the talk makes sense. See, Capone, since one know you now you talk wetin makes sense. You don't know say if that boy do mingle with us, Sajeri no go dey punish us. You don't understand? And from there, we go dey get small money from the boy. Small rappers. Now wow, we need to bring him in, man.
Please, all of you have a point here. But you have a problem. And the problem is, who is going to convince this boy to join us? You know, so that boy na mugu that boy be.
That one has nothing now. See, make I tell you, I go work on that guy. You don't trust me? I go work on that guy. In fact, I'm going to make him my best friend at this school. By the time I finish working on that boy, Oga man at 13 the kabi. Manoburubi.
Capo! Is it what you take? Nah, Capo they be past Capo.
You don't get duplicate. Not only you finish for 4.
I don't believe you. Capo says it be like this now. Go find you. Go believe you say go deliver. Like my Capo now they deliver sele. Sure banker. You go invite the guy, the friend that was in here. Our next meeting, go blend them.
I'm not trust me again.
Teacher, say you're putting it fine now. See, 1 week.
Don't worry.
Capo chop no.
One of the guys.
Capo.
I promise so.
You don't trust me.
Capo go deliver.
See, make I tell you one thing. See that guy? I get better comments.
I
get better.
Make I reserve my comment.
Capo, let me go here.
Make I reserve my comment. Capo, hurry up, Jay, I said my Capo, they give me orientation. My Capo, they give me orientation.
Honey?
Yes, dear.
Oh, it was a hectic day.
Very serious.
Very hectic. Very tired. Hey, that reminds me. I've not told you. My school made a wonderful result in this year's JSCE exam.
Wow, really?
Yeah, but I have not checked Dubem's own.
Wow. You said your school made a very wonderful result.
Yes.
I hope it wasn't expert help.
No, nah. You know me. You know I cannot put my hands into such a thing. Sure. I believe in hard work. Then if you work hard, you earn good results. That is it.
That's my love.
That's my darling.
I'm very much proud of you, and you're doing the right thing. And I know the children will be happy with you in their long run.
Yes.
Keep it up there.
Oh my dear, I know it. There are some parents that wouldn't want it the hard way.
Sure.
But when you have a hard work.
Uncle, let's take a look at this.
Okay. What is this?
Uncle, this is my JSCE results. I made some distinctions and credits.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, congratulations. You're such a wonderful boy.
Even this is a good result. Come on, give me a handshake. Keep it up, eh? If you continue this way, like I told you, the sky is going to be your starting point, not even your limits. Keep it up. And if you continue like this, you're going to make a very good WASSCE result. Eh?
I promise to work harder than my JSCE results as I'm entering the senior secondary school.
Keep it up, my dear. I'm very happy that my sister has children like you. Very, very happy. So, work harder. Right? Keep it up. Okay, have your results. I'm famished.
Oh, I'll get your food.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Guy, how you doing? I'm fine. I dey try you. Guy, I like you a lot. Eh? They come to school early. They study hard. Eh? Man, you dey obey all the rules and regulations in this school. Maybe because you are living with a power that is very, very good. See, I want us to be friends. So that I will be following you to be studying all these things you are doing all the time. I want to pass my exam, honestly. I don't want to fail again.
Wow, you don't have any problem with that. So far, so good. You are a sharp guy. Together we can work hard and know what is written in this textbook so that we can make out something tomorrow.
No wahala. You know my name, My name na Chiwetalu. But my friends called me Ebube.
Wow, it's my pleasure meeting you.
Oh, that is nice. Come on, let's go to the class.
Okay, no problems.
Holding this guy now. This guy na village mugu. Tell us say come meet us here now. What in the whole?
See, Capone, you know say that guy, Dubem, na class captain. He still the right names of noisemaker.
Capo, I tell you, who go convince this guy to come? What's in the happen now?
He go come. Before you get respect.
Now what this guy gonna keep us for? Gonna Colombo us for here now? Who goes that guy now? We dying.
Hey! Ebube! You are smoking and you're also drinking.
Also?
Hey.
In fact, Ebube, wait. Why did you even come here?
Hey, Chris. You be mugu. In fact, maga you be. Furumuku. You the mentor. I'm not telling you about this our club. No, you tell me say you want to enter. What you make you come here, come the shout now? Something don't they do you? So make I tell you, for this school, now this club be the best one they have for this school. After this club, no other club exists. They hear so?
I thought it's a school club. I don't even understand why people are at the backyard like secret court. Yes. In fact, let me tell you, I am no more interested in joining this club.
Hey, guy. Calm down. The end is so. I don't look at you, I just calm down. As it be like this now, don't carry your two legs. Enter our cabal. No retrieving. You don't go back. Don't day. Make I tell you, sir. If I say you join over, you know. I know why you know you call they call and call. They make her look like what kind of bad activity they do. Now be the people boy, big boys. See, we be the big boys for this school. Where they do activity, where they make things happen. Everybody will see us come on body, but not like come on body. See, if you join over, you know. You know me say no go pass your school. Oh. In fact, now boss now nigga, not be to one A. My last exam na A like this.
Shut up, what you sabi? Kawuma talking to me. Hey, see, let me tell all of you.
Hey, you dey mad, you dey crazy.
Hey, this guy don't buy case.
Touch the one. As he dey mad. You dey. So, now you want to save not. I for just flush this guy come on for yet.
I will use this thing and smash your face, and I will tell you why I am called Ben. See, ask people from my village. Ask them. I will show you my ring.
They can't. You see, start shake body. Abone, you don't tell you shake body. I don't even move. Say, talk about start shake.
Woman, you the challenge.
See, make I tell you. I want me calm down. I don't want me. You can't do good on boss. Can't do. Can't show yourself. Just calm down. See, guy, I won't make you calm down because if you calm down, you can enjoy the mementos where this is our, you know. I want to be the big boys and big girls inside this school like this. Everybody they come up body for us. Chill, make you enjoy the glory we follow our body. I would tell one yummy like this. Just cannot come there. I know they from village come. Don't come there do that one for my first time. Don't get myself and I don't fall.
See, let me tell you all of you.
What for you?
You see this club? I'm going to report it to the principal now. And this club must be banned.
Hey, you do no such thing. Also, you do no such thing. Report what? All you know.
Yes, I'll report it.
Oh God, you don't do that kind of thing. See, you don't do that kind of thing. You do that I don't speak. Boss.
I am the demo. Woman know they challenge me for my village.
Boss, why you don't carry this guy come into this cabana? When you never tap and what happen now? You can't carry this Juma, this. Who are you now? Who goes you now?
See, it's okay. Calm down. See, I want my friend to come and say things for himself. See, make I tell you.
We are not going to ask you to bring any money or anything. We have money. We can give you anything you want. See, make I tell you, that your uncle will be principal for this school. That your uncle will help us for this school. Any place where we get problem, now he can help us. Me, I don't see say be village brought up, be village mood.
Asa.
Furumuku. I don't say you don't get food. Abi you get anyone? Come. You don't get any phone, Abi?
Yeah, nah, it don't even for yourself. You don't say they use phones. Some of us get phones.
Come.
Okay, double up now.
You see this one? We're going to use this one to communicate you.
Yeah.
I'll make you take this one.
Is that my boss they talk? They do a second.
Oh, Toya, you don't even get wristwatch. Babe,
Bossa.
Just arrange one wristwatch for her.
No, that's all. That three thing I just got names. I don't sample and one.
Babe, make I tell you, for this club, you don't go lack anything. You go drink as you like, eat as you like, shark day high. By the time we finish with you, you got man on a pattern de kabi. Manobolobi. Guys, love you so.
Beg.
Thank you. In fact, I've joined you people. But I don't know how to.
You know the operator ba? Come make I show you.
This brother push ball.
That push ball now. Which village you from? Yeah, very simple. Come on, snap picture. Come on. Don't say why.
See, thank you. My uncle have been promising to buy food for me, but up to now, so please. In fact, I've joined you people already.
I've joined you people. This is my capon. Now talk and do.
Come. You don't join. Come. Sit down there. Come.
Mama, don't cry.
You know what it is? I take her.
Mama, don't cry.
Oh, for my village, they try. Take her. Oh, yeah.
Try to be good. I don't know. Good boy turn evil. Good boy turn evil.
Calm down.
Good boy turn evil. I don't know why.
Take him again.
Good boy turn evil.
Relax.
Good boy turn evil.
You like Ashe?
Oh, wow. Next one, we are going to give you what we call Mpurumiri. Yes, Mpurumiri.
Oh, no. Boss, they don't think they saw.
Yes, Mpurumiri.
See, bros, Capon. As you don't talk now, you don't do it. And the babe, in addition to that, see, you go to pass your exams. Everything where you want, they your phone.
You go dey inside class like this. Your answers go dey enter your paper. Like say you use juju. You dey grab. I don't know things we no dey enter class. We dey enter class. As you see us so, now we be the good boys and girls for this class. Nobody will know us. Show you the grab. So now to follow us now, they enjoy things of the world to the fullest. My boss don't talk and finish. Saying go buy you wristwatch. You don't give you phone now. Remain you gonna appear yoko. You gonna appear any style where you want her. Show you the grab. And you go also know say too much fucking no they give woman belly. You get it. If you don't get it, you forget about it. Boss, no be so.
Today, dear. Dubem, too much yam, no the free basket. You see this sword? Now one time person they visit them. If you want to enjoy yam, You enjoy. If you won't lose, then you lose.
Over.
Babes.
Kapo.
One more thing. See, just arrange one babe.
Smoke that thing, smoker.
Arrange one babe. Call Pyoko this night.
Kapo, wait. Kapo, how many? Not two. Kapo, one small.
No, give her one. Two.
See,
you want making that?
See, if I come back late, my uncle will beat me. My uncle will flog me.
The babe.
This smoke.
Listen.
Lamura classes.
They are sending one babe for you tonight. Yeah? Come and case a Pyoko.
Hey.
You got Pyoko this
The
night.
babe lesson. Now I go come and say they do lesson for school. Smoke up. Let's do rotation. See, when you finish, carry this one, join now. Before you finish this one, you go understand how the cover be. To blame the bloody civilian. No worry, very soon you go understand what they do inside.
Thank you.
Welcome to the union.
This world is evil. This world is evil.
Your hands together. It is a great thing to serve the Lord. It is a great thing to serve the Lord. It is a great thing to serve the Lord. Walking in the light of God. Oh, walking in the light. Oh, everybody walking in the light. Oh, walking in the light. Walking in the light of glory be to the Lord in the highest. Hallelujah. I suppose. Ancients of days, as old as you are, as old as you are. Father, you will never change. You can never change. Ancient of days, as old as you are, as old as you are. You will never change. The Lord is our shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still water. He restores my soul. He leads me beside the righteousness. For His name's sake, even though I walk in the valley of shadow of death, I fear no evil, for Thou art with me. The rod and the staff, they comfort me. They prepare them before me. In the presence of my enemy, Thou anointed my head with oil. My cup overflows. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives, and we shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Eyes open.
School prefects, are you here? The teachers, you are here. Please be observant. I want you to fetch out whoever that will disrupt this morning's devotion. Let that person face my German Ken. Did you hear me?
See, I will never live to be a teacher in my life. See these people?
Kapo, what do you want to be teacher for now? Oh my
My fake prophet, they be.
Who said that? Who's that? What did you just say?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing?
Yes, sir.
You said nothing. And what are you doing? That SS2 boy that want to present himself before this assembly. Now, come out here now. I'm asking you, what's your name? Me. Ebube. What's your last name?
My last name?
Yes. Teacher. Teacher?
Yes, sir.
I said your second name, your surname.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Yes, I said teacher.
You said teacher?
Yes, I don't want to be a teacher in my life.
What's it supposed to mean? I want you to come out now and tell everybody here what you meant by your surname is a teacher. I'm waiting for you.
Mr. Ibube, come out.
Come here.
What's your problem? What's wrong with this?
Okay, for rudely interrupting me in this morning's assembly, I'm going to give you 6 German stroke of Ken.
Come outside. You're talking to
Come out here!
Come
Yes.
outside. Look at.
Come out there. We are pointing at you.
Mr. Ibube, come outside.
Everybody, come out here. Come and tell us why you don't want to be a teacher. You are not coming out? That's good. I am aware. Now, the school, can you listen to me? I am aware of the clandestine attitude of some students here who has made up their mind to pull down this school. They don't know that I'm giving them a long rope for them to tie themselves together. Then I will pull them. I am aware that many of you don't stay in class when you leave your homes. Now let me ask you, where do you spend that quality time you're supposed to put in for your success? Huh? I'm asking you. Now, remember, the Bible says there is time for everything on earth. This is time to be a student here. Not being a politician or businessman as at now. If you miss this time as a student, you have lost it forever. Let me still inform you, you must work hard now so that you will enjoy forever. If you leave this quality time, you are supposed to engage in your studies and use it to enjoy your lives. You will end up regretting it. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Announcement, please.
I believe you all heard the principal. Our exam starts immediately after you enter your classes, and we are having 4 papers today. The class prefects, you all know what to do. I don't want to hear any noise from anyone. If I do, I'm going to deal with you mercilessly. Thank you.
Oh, let's move on, for your future is bright. Oh, let's move on, for your future is bright. Move on, for your future.
You, see guys, we need money. I mean, real money to run this club.
You have to contribute. Yes! You have to contribute your own money. We have you in this club. So you have to contribute. And guys, we need to make others to join us in this cabal. How na see am?
Bagan, I'm not the young matter, boss. The young matter.
I don't understand what you're saying, no? You told me that I'm not going to pay for anything to join this club. And now you say I'm going to pay money. And don't know where to get this money. Remember, I'm your backbone in this school. No? Please.
Come on, you don't go keep your mouth shut. You don't keep that empty mouth shut where they smell. Why they call you have to? Why I don't they look, you don't they vomit, Wait. Boss say, so I mean this guy shake crocodile tears. They give me 1 million to my heart, me. See, boy, behave yourself. You hear me? I'll make you behave yourself. Wait, can't you be reasonable for once? You know they get reasonable. You know they get conscience for that your child is there. Tell me, you know they enjoy the membership of this club. The benefit, all the pollutants when inside this club, you know they enjoy ya. And make I bust your bladder. If you attend anything funny, and guy, you're a dead man. So now one day, this your brain need to work. Be wise. Put brain, make a bust up, make a put brain inside that. They may look to for you. Check close case. Make me vex you.
Calm down, boy. Have you not been enjoying us since you joined this club?
Ask me.
Just bring your part share of the money. That's just what I just asking you. What's your own problem?
Dubem, the only fine boy for our class. Dubem, you won't tell me say all these girls, all these women no they give you, they give you job.
Ask me.
Common small money, small rubbers where you go carry more, just add down. Put for our conti. Come put the book before the shone. And they had you. Dubem, be wise oh. If you no get sense, get one. Cause Nigerian don't compare. If we hold you, they talk, they hear the proof, the bang yash they give us. As you see all of us here, see say we no get joy happy. They hear the shed crocodile tears give us. Now get sense oh, get sense.
Now listen. I will say it for the last time. I'm giving you only 2 days. Only 2 days to bring your money. After 2 days, beg it on us.
I don't know where to get this money. I'm not ready to.
You get 2 days.
Dubem, get up from that place. My wife has been observing changes in your behavior these days. You always sit down on your own. You look moody, indifferent, nonchalant, and impudent. Do you have any problem? Why don't you tell us who are your parents here if you have any problem, so that we'll wade into it before it gets out of hand?
See, Dubem, you're like, I noticed it too. You know you're like a son to me. If there's anything you think that I'm not getting right where you are, you do well to tell me so that I can make some amendments. I don't like the way you do keep to yourself. Please.
Uncle, Auntie, I'm okay. There's nothing wrong with me.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes,
Uncle.
Since you said so.
Okay, there's no problem. You can go back to the room. He suddenly started this attitude. Something must be wrong somewhere.
Let's watch it.
I pray it doesn't get out of hand.
Good morning, students. And how are you all doing? I'm here to take you all on computer today. Okay? And the word computer. What is the word computer? How can we define it? To a layman's knowledge, computer can be defined as an electronic machine that passes data and processes information. Am I understood? A type of a computer is the phone. The phone we make use of. We can use it to pass information. Ebube, what is it?
I no agree for this one. Me, I no agree at all. How you go tell us this handset? This one is called handset, not even pocket set. It's handset, phone. When phone can't turn to become a computer. Phone a computer.
Okay, let me explain to you.
You say it's a phone or handset. So I feel that come my papa now. Like
Auntie, don't mind this kid. See,
as I was saying, the use of phone, you can use it to pass information. Whereby, for example, if you want to talk to your parents or your siblings, you use your phone to pass information. You call them, hello, hi, mom, how you guys doing? Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Good. So, who can explain the part of computer? Or who can tell me some parts of computer we have?
Auntie I.
Okay. Let me hear from you.
SIM card.
No.
Auntie charger.
No.
Battery.
No.
Bluetooth.
Never mind. Okay, let me hear from you.
Okay. Parts of computer are monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU.
Good. Class, give me a sound clap. Thank you. Ebube, why are you distracting my class? And who owns that phone? Off that phone and bring it to me now. I mean now and I mean it. If you don't do that, I will leave this class.
Give it to her. Hey, see auntie.
Also?
You want to leave the class? You don't concern you. In fact,
can you imagine?
If you leave this class, they're not going to pay you. You are employed to teach this class.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Auntie, yes ma'am.
Bet me and say I'll report this
It
class
is
to the
our
principal.
right.
I will
Our
report
right.
this class to the principal.
With or without the so-called distraction. Auntie, are you going?
See. Ebube. Amaka. Even you. See, let me tell you. Don't even hope on me doing exams. Because we are in the same class and having the same lessons. See, even my book. You see my book. You will not even see my handwriting. Talk more of to carry your eye and put inside the book. You be frumuku. Now frumuku, you be. So they tell you say now people with no book they get money. Don't go to school. Brigade, he didn't go school. He no get money. Education na scam.
Kapo, who even sure say this guy know wetin he answer? He sure say this guy answer the right question. In fact,
The auntie say, I know whether the auntie say, know wetin the computer. If you want to talk say this brain na empty na. Empty person na stand here. Okay, what is
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir, is you know the SS2 students?
What did they do?
They keep distracting my class with their cell phones, either answering calls or texting messages. That was why I said the other day that the use of cell phones should be stopped.
You are correct, my dear. You are correct. But the problem we have here is that we are dealing with parents who don't understand what we are facing here. Parents who take delight in, in whatever their children wants. They want to give it to them. They want them to have them. That's the problem we have. But you, as a teacher, all you have to do, hold your class. Be in control of them. Do you hear me? Be in control of them. But as of the matter you've reported, I am going to look into it.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. Go back to your work.
Asileto, wayo, oti wayo, asileto, wayo.
Man, guys, now Valentine don't reach you. And as it be like this, we need to plan this thing well. Invite our niggas and our bitches. Catch cruise to the fullest. Kapo, how you say I'm nice more rotation?
Now babes, I dey talk and sing. Say your head get on. As in you sabi.
Toilet.
You sabi.
The brain dey work.
True. We go invite our cates, our babes. As in, we go boil in there. Make them enjoy with us. You know how see they be now.
See, I almost forgot. When is he coming, sir?
Wait. Capone. I salute you, sir. But I mean they ask that question. Now for you. Now you supposed to give us updates now. Now we now they give you updates. Now Friday next week now. Why they do me like this?
Next week Friday. Then where are we celebrating it?
Bagam! I catch her. In fact, I hold her. Eh? See guys, make I tell you now, eh? We go do am for Oga LZ place. But I know say that man get everything to host us now. Na very rich man. Are you here?
Bros. Capone. Nice one. As in, you just finished talk. Oh, how we go do one now? As in, more go know how much they price something I be. How won't take do one now? Something now.
This world is
He just bring better matter like boss say. But I don't say he be boss though. He still be boss. See, I know. I see they are going that respect though. But as it be like this now, I don't make you just carry your pen and paper. You understand? Write down those materialistics there. You know, all those props, all those things will go there available go need that day. So I will feel provide them on time. I know that your OZ. You know now, that's the download. Now your cartel, now your melentos. So you go enter and wear. So that in play will be like hot cake. You can go keep reservation for us. We go enter there that they go to our melentos with our niggas. But I reason my retention. I hope say you get the cap your.
Come on, this in back, Joe. See this baby. He's a mentor. You don't call before.
I didn't know your boss.
You know the fear again.
But I didn't know you now.
On to what now? Make I carry pen and paper. They write something. Say I don't become your secretary now.
But I didn't know you.
Anyway, guys, for things to the move, I think I will write it.
Mogo, hell must roll. If you are just sending me to hell, where am I going to get this kind of money?
See, Dubem, you dey do like person wey no suck breast finish. You dey do like person wey they no carry for 9 months. Like person wey grow for incubator. Not for you. As they go like this now, as they go house. Now to enter one site, run 1 or 2. At least, go get small rabbits now. So that we go feel boiling next week Friday. You see that place? We don't go and finish.
Mugo, it's like your head go roll. See, if my uncle catches me, child, he will send me to my early grave. What's up, oh? Mother, consider me now. No, they do understand. I go grab for now.
If you want to make you die, go see your uncle money, bring your own contribution.
Dubem, see, make I tell you. Go and steal that your uncle's money. If your uncle misbehave, Ozuzue, Mbek or yours.
I'm gonna carry you at that street. Go to the controls.
I know my uncle.
That's like giving a surprise.
He will give you.
That's like an uncle, they spoil show for person.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning, sir.
Today's meeting, we are not going to waste so much of your time because you need to go back to your classes and continue with your works. I have gotten serious information concerning the rate of indiscipline in this school. And the parents are complaining that we keep our students longer than the normal school hours. The villagers also are complaining that they used to see our students outside these premises during school hours in some bad corners. And you teachers also complain of the theft, bullies, students walking out of class, and students not being in class at all. All these things comes to me, my head is full of this report. As it stands now, many parents are already threatening to withdraw their children from this school because of the rate of indiscipline we have here. As it is now, we must sit up. Did you hear me? Under must. Everybody must sit up. Now, you have to be in charge of all your classes. Be in charge and in control of your classes. The 4 mistresses will make sure they don't sign in any person that did not attend school. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for this meeting. Your observations are true. These students are getting out of control. They don't go to classes and they don't pay attention in class. The worst part of it all is that they come to school with phones, taking pictures, watching videos, receiving calls and sending messages, thereby distracting other students. Sir, we really need to do something about them.
I completely concur with you. Do you know that some of these students do all sorts of things in order to acquire phones that are more expensive than some of our salaries here? Yes. And no one is disputing the fact that technology is important in this dispensation, but they tend to abuse it. They even go as far as disrespecting us, telling us that they can browse our stuffs online. It's bad and totally disrespectful.
And what? What are you trying to say? Are you supporting them or are you coming up with a fresh report?
I actually wanted to talk about our salaries, which are overdue now. How do you expect us chasing those boys with an empty stomach? Don't you know a hungry man is an angry man? Or are we angels from heaven?
Enough of this ranting. Everybody knows you here as a salary monger. I thought you have come to say something else instead of this. This meeting is not a formal staff meeting. We are all here because of the emergency situation we find ourselves in this school, based on the rising indiscipline in the school. Yes. And you are telling me salary.
I don't agree with you that there is something more important here now than our salary.
So I didn't know I have some enemies of this school among my staff, who are working as partners in crime with the students. I must flush out this indiscipline in this school. I must flush all this nonsense out of this school. The school must regain its past glory. Then, if any of you are not ready to work, you better resign and leave this place. This meeting is closed. You can go back to your workplace.
But sir, for the fact that parents are already threatening on how to take their kids away from this school, we should act as fast as possible in order to correct this irresponsible action going on in this school. Else, we have to lose all our students and the bad ones will corrupt the good ones. So let's do this very fast before things get out of hand, sir.
What we have here are sycophants, cowards, saboteurs.
Who did what? Who did what? Why can't you be civil for a moment? We are all here trying to resolve how our stay in this school. And you are pouring water into the matter. Okay, tell me. How are we going to be in this school without students? Damn it!
Damn what? How dare you?
It's okay.
How dare you?
Calm down, please.
This meeting is over. Please go back to your classes.
Yeah, I'm talking about my
salary. No.
Salary is not everything.
Hey, Paripa! Hey, Paripa! Guys, I'm not telling you, say I go bring new member join this ministry. Yes. I'm not telling you, I not trust what I do. I don't see this one. What I just bring so. See this one. See this one. See this one. Babe, come. They see this one. This one. See this one. Mama, I told you this one is my babe. This one is my personal babe. You understand? You go to watch her back for me. You understand?
Thank you.
Make gonna they watch her back for me for this school. Any guy will go cross that side. You know me now. That person name now. Sorry, babe. I made it go. See this one. See this one. See this one. See this one. This one a mama. That's it be. That's it be. See this one. Now this one what they call small pin charger. Small pin charger. Obelensi name big. You understand? See this one. But see this one where they do like Reverend Father. I mean a Reverend Father pikin. See this one. I seen they do like say person where they inside seminary school. By the time we go finish with them, you go no say 13 be like B, but you know be B. You understand? How I see them now?
They go well.
Papa will get you now. Papa will get you. Vale. Capon a boost.
I did here.
Capon a boost.
Hey, to me.
I dey throw a salute for you, boss. You legit.
Bagam.
You legit. Since we don't do this club, you've been a wonderful and an assurance leader.
Oh, thank you.
Assurance cover you.
You are there.
We thank you for bringing these guys to this club. But guys, don't look us like this, so we are good boys and girls in this school. Assurance cover us as long as exam is concerned. You can ask the principal. You know us. Sure you dey get, but not to worry. As long as you are in this club, every good thing in this life, I mean everything you want, you will have it. Just calm down. If you just need anything, just a phone call, and everything you ordered for will be in your doorstep. Our Capone here is capable to do anything. So you are welcome once again. You're welcome.
Well, as she said, you are highly welcome to this our club. Now that you have joined us, you'll be very sharp and bold.
Bagam.
Huh?
Who goes? Who they meant to? You make an calm down. Everywhere see well. And I am me. Everywhere they stop to. I don't come into this our cafe now, into this our club now. I don't welcome on now. You don't accept on now, you know every. When I just maintain, cooperate. I don't do though and tax. I don't require me. But even I do, when I just stay on a do, normal. Capo, that's our Valade they come now. Our Valentine they come.
I know say get us dues where they go share give on her. How can I contribute? And I will contribute her. Invite on her friends. When they come jollificate. And I don't understand. When they follow us smile. Cruise is there for our cartel, cruise is there for this our club. And I will catch enough cruise. Well, do as you are all told and instructed. And peace be unto you all.
Naso.
You're all welcome.
Naso.
As when I don't hear them now, this one and our mama.
I mean,
she don't talk her. Okay. As you don't talk am say our Valentine they come. You know say that Valentine, now you make me go organize this new babe. After the Valentine, and you're very pioko. You understand? So I don't as a school now. When I get phone so. No get phone. Ah mama they don't get phone. You know as we dey do am now.
Small matter na small level.
You go just organize.
A small level.
You know now. Say make I tell you now. When I feel free, una go enjoy for this club. Make I tell you now. Anybody wey find una trouble for this school, that person name na sorry. You understand? When I go there here, enjoy. You understand?
You be like they wake up. Be like where they go. Una be like una just come and go down. Go down now. Melo wala. Make free. Where your deal with Aisha?
As a son, I want to go out. But I don't.
Wait, Dubem. That party will go last week. Why you not come now?
I don't have money for the contribution. What do you want me to do?
Dubem, if you see babes, you missed though. Don't worry, we are going another next week Friday.
I don't have money and I'm not ready to go and stay.
You go get money.
What's wrong with you? Did anything happen in the school today? Honey? Oh my God, this job of a principal will not kill me. One day, one trouble. If it is not a trouble today from the boys, it's a threat from the teachers. Honey, did anyone confront you? Honey, talk to me. Kunu. What is it?
Honey?
Yes.
If I have an option, I will quit this job. Even without an option, I am leaving this job. So I can have rest of mind. This principal job is not giving me joy again. Can you imagine? Some teachers behave like students. Oh God. All they know is salary. What is happening in the school? They don't want to know. Oh God. Do you know that I cited one of my teachers during the study hours? She was busy talking to herself. Talking to herself as if I'm going to bring me.
Is that madness?
Kai, can you imagine? Then the students inside the class now think of what they will be doing. Some of them were busy sleeping, some were busy copying notes, so we're doing all sort of
Let's go and see if we can push you up.
Look at him coming. Look at him coming back. Where are you coming from by this time? And what is your school uniform?
Uncle, my shirt is inside my bag. And besides, I've been in the school all this while. We are given a long note to copy. And we have been copying it, so time went off. I have to start coming back home. Yes.
Good story. Well framed, well prepared. Orator.
Honey, please leave this boy. Let's go in so that you can refresh him up.
Let's go in, my dear.
Oga Jose, our man. See, Oga Jose, waiting carry me come here now. Now because of that party, that volunteer party, we want to do.
Okay.
So Oga Jose, I know you. I know what you feel do. Oh. See, we are not many. We are just 5 boys, and our babes. They are coming that day for you.
A private party.
Yes. Money no go be the problem at all. We go pay you. We go pay you. I just want to make you organize a very nice place where we go, rock ourselves. You understand? Just tell me how much you go pay.
You don't tell what they do business. For what thing is now, I organize private party for Valentine people, Easter people. This one is small matter. Now just 100,000 naira. 100.
No, now. Oga was there. All the time too much now. We are just secondary school students.
No, but you talk now, say money no be problem. You get some students where they reach past even the business people. That's why they see you now. So really, money no go be problem. 50,000 naira in advance. By Pete, may just compromise. You go pay 50 today. Then close to the party, you finish your payment. Inside that organization, I don't do for Okunano boys. I don't do for Oba girls. Even CIC boys. Then queens. I don't do for queens. You never hear them. You think what do they? I put snail meat, oboroko meat, many condiments where they can't chop the flowing day. If you see them, they're all big. You think what I go do for that? I don't go talk now. Hey! Until that time comes. So 100,000 naira, 50 in advance payment.
You know what's going to happen? Please, I don't want me to miss this place. You understand? You know, those man, cartel men, those guys, the wicked, they are right here for back.
You tell me?
If we miss this place now, they will kill me. I don't want to die now. I never enjoy life. See, I just catch 5 new babes.
Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. No, I get where if you begin do party, small time, you sneak away with your babe. Trust me!
In a circle like this.
Mumwa. Now from there I get training, come establish this kind of business. You don't go just jump into this business anyhow. If you don't practice them, see the sweetness, the game where they there, then you go establish them. That's why I come here.
Hey, your name is Piokowa. You know what's going to happen? Let me just go arrange that.
This evening, just bring advance payment, 50,000. Make it no pass today. If he pass, then that fear where they talk will arise. End of today, advance payment, 50,000 naira. I go prepare here for. If any other person come, I tell them say, go elsewhere. If I give you assurance, I don't give you assurance.
You know what's going to happen? I go meet my containment.
Please,
I go bring return 50,000 in the next 2 hours. You go see me here.
Akuma.
My mom.
I dare with you now.
Good boy turn evil, I don't know why. Good boy turn evil. Good boy turn evil. Good boy turn evil, I don't know why. Asileto, why you? Oti wine ho, oti wine ho, asileto, wayo, oti wine ho, oti wine ho, asileto, wayo. Mama don't cry, mama don't cry, mama don't cry, I don't know. Mama don't cry for me. Mama don't cry, cause I don't know. I try to be good, I don't know. Good boy turn evil, good boy turn evil. Good boy turn evil, I don't know why. Good boy turn evil. Good boy turn evil. Good boy turn evil, I don't know.